Hey folks, I was able to watch the first two episodes of the new romantic comedy K-drama starring Shin Ye-sun and Ji Chang-wook, and it's titled Welcome to Samdalri. Ye-sun plays Cho Samdal, a renowned photographer who falls from grace because of fake news. Pagbalik niya sa hometown niya sa Jeju Island, may encounter niya si Cho Young-il, played by Chang-wook. He is her childhood friend and former sweetheart. Sa episodes 1 and 2, pinakita yung passion ng main characters towards their work and yung type of relationship they have with people around them. Like yung kapitbahay nila, mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, etc. etc. Samdal is someone na ayaw na natatakpakan ng bride niya, and even when she was just a little girl, she thinks of herself as a dragon who will rise from the small stream, which is yung hometown nga nila na Jeju. Si Young-pil naman ay hirap mag-move on sa kaya even meron siyang promotion to the headquarters ng weather forecasting station sa Seoul, ayaw niya i-consider because he might bump into. It's still confusing who broke up with who, because they have two different memories of the event. Pero posible kasi na parehong totoo yun. Posible na twice sila nag-break. Na ang unang nakipag-break si babae, then pangalawa naman si lalaki. But we'll see that in the next episode. Nakaka-excite kasi both are really good actors. If you're new to K-drama, you should look them up. And, yung mga nilabasan nila, top-rated talaga, and praise yung acting nila. So, I am hopeful na this drama will be worth watching.